Welcome to Langar at DU. We're going to be hosting an event at Carnegie Green at 11 o'clock a.m. We're going to be having free food, lots of fun games and activities. It's a great way to get out and meet some of the community. We're really excited about it as our class is putting this event on, co-hosting with another class. And yeah.
Langar is a Sikh community event where people gather to come get food. It's just a place where everybody's here to hang out, have a great time, and meet new people.
The whole idea behind Langar at DU is to have a collaborative system with the students and the Sikh community around Denver. We're doing this because we do want more student-led events at DU, and this could be one of the biggest student-led events at DU in all history. So having this kind of shows that the student body at Denver can make a difference at the University of Denver.
Hey guys, come check out the Langar June 4th. I know it's during finals week, which can be pretty stressful. I'm going to be very stressed out, but I think it's a good time to take a short little break away from studying, just to let loose, meet new people, and it doesn't even have to be for the whole thing. You can just stop by, get a little taste of the experience, and then go back to study, go back to the grind.
There'll be free food, fun games, and hope you can make it.